I am pleased to confirm into yoba Brigadier Julius Mkhwanazi ude wabe uyasuspendwa kwa EMPD formally. Okay, lena iphathi yokugqibezela nje itestimony kabani eka retired deputy chief uRivo Space on what he had to say, because after yena ku take over Mr. Xolani Nciza okwiside le labor relations. So for now ndicela sigqibezele kabani eka Rivo Space. So uRivo Space unento akaye wasixela yona emasikizi yathi after bebone ubugulukudu benzekayo pha eEMPD basuggesta into ba maba introduce iprocess ebizwa ngoba yi-vetting, kucheckwa nje ubufezi iminwe yakhe menjani, akanazi criminal cases against yena na. Hayi ke kuthiwa immediately wabethi inyawo phansi uJulius Mkhwanazi into yoba yena akazuba subjected to that. Hayi ke baqhubeka neprocess yakhona benziwa ke abanye as a result bakwazi ukupick up into ba kune members zabo, if not mistaken, about 328 the officers nama criminal cases against bona, and as these criminal cases they are very serious. We are talking murder, we are talking rape, we are talking house robberies, kidnapping nani. Abanye baze babe baya convictwa malunga nento ezifana nezo. So that's how serious it was. So incedile la process abathina bayi introduce. So nanso apho phezulu apho beke sepha khona statistics zakhona in case nifuna ukuyibukela ne. So yes, pictures enizibonayo eka Brigadier Julius Mkhwanazi plus eka Chief Mapiyeye apha beke sibonisa indlela uba niyakhumbula mos uBrigadier Julius Mkhwanazi wa appointwa ngendlela engaqondakali for ubabe ngu-deputy chief. Ayaziwa ncam because watsho no chief into ba akazanga appointwe nguye, akayazi i-appointment yakhona phansi kwe-previous parts ke besendizitshilo. So kuthiwa after ke seke appointile njalo ngathi wadubuleka kwishopo yabo apho befumana khona ezinto ezincwe apha emagxeni nekepisi nani ezibekwa kwisikhundla esingathi siphezulu, wayozidimandela ezo zinto ezo. So akazange athini anxityiswe ngendlela eright ngongathi mosingathi uyagraduate xa usenziwa lanto. So azange kube khona any process efollowishayo, so wazenzela lonto leyo phansi koba bathi bedibana naye ku road block ithile seke zinxibisile bamangala bonke bayibo ithini lento. Okay sharp. So because azange anxityiswe ngendlela eright ikuze kuvela into engathi ebeze enxiba ibanana, nayazi ibanana ndithi isihlangu sase left usinxibe right, sase right usinxibe left, bekeze enxiba ibanana. So basithathe basibonisa ke ngendlela beke engakwazi unxiba uniform ngayo, of which ke batshilo bathi ezi pictures nabo bazithathe phi, abazithathe ku website. So apha ezantsi yindlela akaye wavala ngayo esitsho esithi bapick up noba impilo yabo yakhe ise kwi danger after I think SSA yenze i-risk analysis ngempilo yakhe, ba pick up into ba impilo yakhe kwi danger. As a result ngathi Brigadier Julius Mkhwanazi babeze bemfunela nenkabi, ngathi inkabi zakho ezakhona zazaphuma ngale KZN, ingathi insizwa zangalisibhamu siyazazi yo. So ikhona ke into enjalo. So nansi video yakhe apho echo khona into ba babeze bemfu, not the only that was here into threatened ngoba uzabulawa, kwaze kwavela nento ba uzabulawa ngendlela enjani in terms of uzafunelwa inkabi ezizambulala ezaba ngama hitmen. So that's just about it nje ngo chief ngo deputy chief uRivo Space watsho ke shem nangendlela, because ngathi nenkosikazi yakhe isebenza khona pha eMPD ngendlela abuzwa ngayo because of inoba ukwela cala elelabo bani elabo o Chief Rivo plus o Chief Mapiyeye.
There is already a little bit lower down, there is 4 officers that's been found guilty for murder as well. So there's 15 awaiting trial, meaning they haven't been found guilty yet. Their trial is still ongoing. But further down the list, there's 4 for murder. There's 4 for rape. There's 3 for robbery. So even though at the top there's a waiting trial portion, there is officers that have been found guilty already that is in the service with criminal records, very serious criminal records.
And you say those convictions are in respect of murder, rape, and fraud, did you say? The convictions.
If I categorize from what I consider as serious crime for police officers, there's like negligent loss of firearm is 6, but if we go to things like extortion is 5, housebreaking is 5, kidnapping is 5, murder is 4, rape is 4, robbery is 3, Pointing of firearm, the Defeating Gathering Act. So from the highest list, which is more related to the Schedule 1 type of offences, the murder, the rapes, and that there is, and then there's at the top the awaiting trial portions that is still not concluded. So now already I am suddenly approached by a person from the State Security Agency, and he is stating to me that they, a State Security Agency, have picked up that there are death threats being made against me, where this Brigadier Mkonasi and other officers was discussing in Katlehong area, they were discussing to rent or hire Inkabis, which is a hitman from the KZN area. So they were discussing this, and they already have plotted the concept of it's easy to take me out because I drive in my private capacity. I also have motorcycle, and I enjoy motorcycle riding, adventure riding, and it's easy to take me out because I use the motorcycle. So SSA concluded a complete threat assessment against me and with my house, and there were conclusions made at the end of the day where they asked me if I'm kosher with it, if a guard can stay on my premises and I would provide water and electricity to the guard. And I stated, yes, I will do that if it comes down to that. But I also look after my own security and my family's security in a very secure manner. And that they then reported this to the city manager.